Prior to selecting a wheelchair, the clinician must know the purpose of the wheelchair. For instance, he or she may need to know why the individual needs the wheelchair and how the individual is going to use the wheelchair, what the individual does on a regular basis. Does the individual need uh, help transferring to and from the wheelchair? Does the individual uh, knows how to write and can they communicate verbally? Does the individual uses any respiratory equipments such as oxygen tanks, or is there any augmentative equipment that the individuals may need to mount on the wheelchair? For instance, do they use a screen monitor for communication? And in addition, the individual may need someone else to help them operate the wheelchair.